I'm here to talk about the technology in today's age and the improvement for the youth in today's society. You know, you got your video games that are out there that's kind of taken over today's society, but I also feel like there's a lot of positives for the younger generation with the technology. For example, when when these kids will go to a grocery store and use their swipe card to get groceries, and they go to school and they have to type in a code for their lunch account, and there's just so many things, and there's so many things that in the future that will develop, that I feel like today's age, with my son Evan here being 5, that we use the technology here. Instead of playing video games, we use it to improve his skills, his academic skills. He's 5 and hasn't started school yet, and so we work on different games on the computer rather than just playing video games and getting on the internet and on YouTube. So I'll show you a few things here. I feel like that getting him prepared for school next year, for kindergarten. Of course, there's a variety of different games that you can go to. One that he likes and that I like, that's good for him, is the Fun Brain. And of course, we're working with numbers. I feel like numbers is very important, and we do some word recognition and a lot of other things. So what I'm going to do right now is let Evan take a little control here of what's going on with him, and have an example of one of his games for his improving his academics. So Evan, what I need you to do right now is tell me how many bunnies are here. And what I need you to do is go here to the right side in the two boxes, is click how many bunnies there are. Yeah. Okay, it says you're right. Very good. So what I need you to do now is count here again. Go over here and count and click the box. Good. It says you're right. All right, let's do it again. Good. Good. Okay, very good. And you got 10 correct here. It tells you how many you got correct. Of course, there's more advanced games that can be more difficult, that get that are harder. These are things that we'll hopefully incorporate throughout the summer before he starts school next year, and we'll start adding some sentences with some word and some vocabulary, and hopefully enhances his sentence structure a little bit, and of course there's just a lot of different things we can get on here and mess around. But of course, if you just let kids in today's age get on a computer, you don't leave them into the academic part of on the computer. They'll get on and they'll do YouTube, and they'll get on eBay and shop or ESPN. So of course, we really work with them on this, and after he gets 10 out of 10 correct, and maybe we'll let him get on the YouTube or something and have some fun. But he really enjoys this, and very attentive, and seems to stay focused when you've got little characters on here and things that he enjoys. So I hope you enjoyed my knowledge and expertise on why I feel like technology is very important in today's age, and thanks a lot.